Space stocks are exploding. Should you invest? The space race is back, and this time it's not just NASA and SpaceX. A private company just pulled off a historic moon landing, and now, space stocks are skyrocketing. But is this just hype, or are we looking at the next trillion-dollar industry? Let's break it down. Why are space stocks blowing up? Firefly Aerospace just became the first private company to successfully land on the moon. This mission wasn't just a test, it proved that private space exploration is the future. What happened next? Investors rushed in. Rocket Lab up by 15% in just days. Intuitive Machines, a massive 40% gain since their own moon mission. Space ETFs seeing their best performance in months. Wall Street is waking up to space and money is flowing in. Space is the next gold rush. Is space the next gold rush? We've seen this before. In the early 2000s, electric cars were a joke, until Tesla changed everything. The internet boom, everyone doubted it, until it took over the world. Now, space is on the same path. Moon mining could be a trillion-dollar industry in the next decade. Space tourism is already happening, with ticket prices dropping. Starlink and satellite tech are creating entirely new markets. This isn't just science fiction anymore, it's big business. Should you invest in space stocks? So should you jump in? Here's what experts are saying. If you believe private space companies are the future, investing early could pay off big. If you're into long-term tech growth, companies like Rocket Lab, SpaceX, and Intuitive Machines could be huge winners. But if you want quick profits, be careful. The space market is still risky and volatile. So, what's the final verdict? Well, the future of space stocks is a mixed bag. While the potential for growth is enormous, the risks remain significant. Investors should weigh their options carefully and consider their risk tolerance. The next decade could bring monumental advancements, but it's essential to stay informed and be prepared for volatility. It's a thrilling time to be part of the space industry, but caution is key. Final verdict, a smart bet or just hype? Right now, space stocks are exploding because of momentum. But in the next 10 to 20 years, we could see moon bases, missions to Mars, and space-powered internet for the entire planet. The question isn't if space will change the world, it's who will profit from it first. What do you think? Is now the time to invest, or is this just another bubble? So, if you're as excited about the future of space stocks as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. We've got plenty more coming your way. Drop a comment and let's discuss. And stay tuned for our next episode where we dive even deeper into the latest trends and opportunities in the space sector. You won't want to miss it. And speaking of huge space discoveries, scientists just found something massive at the edge of the universe. That's coming up next. Stay tuned. For more mind-blowing space videos, subscribe to Knowledge Hub.